Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please do consider joining my YouTube family and press that subscribe button down below. I do put videos out twice a week on Sundays and Thursdays every week regarding Luxe Life and anything girly. So guys, for today's video, I wanted to unbox this beautiful item that I got, and I totally got influenced on by JoJo. I'm gonna link her channel, show a picture up here and link it down below, so please check her out. She unboxed this item, and I have not owned an item from this fashion house just yet, and I wanted to try first to see how I feel about it. And also a continuation to one of my previous videos, and you'll know why. So I got this big ol' item. I'm not really sure what's in there or how it's packaged because I didn't expect it to be this humongous. But let's unbox real quick. Very good packaging. Oh, and oh my god, it's so pretty. All right, so let me do this. As you guys can already tell, I got a Dior item, and no guys, it is not a bag. I'm trying it, so it's not a bag. So let's unbox it first. And this is something that I got as a part of their like holiday kind of thing that's going on, and so this is more like a Merry Christmas to myself. And wow, I'm loving the Dior white and the gold there. The box itself feels very luxe, so let's open her up and see what's going on. All right, so right off the bat, see the CD sign. I guess it's supposed to be this way. Let's see what we got. So in addition to purchasing this item, I also received some samples. So I was like, why not? Let's do it. Oh no, I ripped it. So I got the Montaigne sample set, but in addition to that, I also got a few things from the website. All right, so I got some perfume samples that come in a very fancy dust bag. I got some, I don't know how to say it, Lauren, help, and another one. And I think these are men's scents, so I was gonna give them to my husband to try to see if he likes them. And then look how cute is this. So while I was checking out, it was, it asked me if I wanted a key holder. And I was like, of course. This wasn't, I think it just came free with my purchase. Oh my god, it's so cute. So there it is. It's a free Dior key holder with my purchase. And I think this whole purchase was like $100. And it also came with a free Dior pouch. I mean, guys, how much more free stuff can I get? I love it. What in the world? Oh, there it is. Oh, and it has that fancy zipper. Okay, so it's just like a toiletry wipeable inside pouch, but who doesn't need those? And one from Dior. I love, thank you, Dior. So far, I only have this one little guy left. Let's open it up. And so many stuff inside. I'm gonna definitely keep that box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's too absolutely gorgeous to throw away. So there. So I got the sample perfume set. So this 3 should all be in there. I recently did a video on my 2 most luxury favorite perfumes, and then I've got 2 from a contemporary brand. And like I've said in that video, I'm a creature of habit, so I only have those 2 luxury perfumes from the fashion house. One is from Louis Vuitton and one is from YSL, and I will link the video down below, guys, if you want to check it out. So for Dior, I kind of wanted to try first before I bought like the whole set or like a full perfume, just in case I didn't like it. So this is perfect to try. Like I said, I bought all of these items for about $100, and I'll put how much I paid up here. But in addition to this set, all of the stuff came for free. So I got this for free, which is 2 samples. I got a keychain from Dior for free, and I got a pouch for free. So, I mean, best deal ever. So let's open her up. How do I open her? Let's see. Maybe down here. Bear with me. Whoop. Okay, something popped open. All right, so JoJo unboxed this beauty, and I was like, that is so cute. I just want the packaging. All right, so it is so cute. It has a little handle, perfect for Christmas. So I think this is gonna sit under my tree, even though I know what it is already. So what I plan to do with this is obviously smell the scents, and the ones that I'm so not into, I'm gonna see if my sister-in-law, my niece, or my daughter wants them. So you open her up. So it's like a little advent calendar, but not like the Dior, the big one where, you know, the year or the month, you get a bunch of items. In this one, you get 5 items. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's open them up. All right, so let's go for the biggie, the one in the middle. Oh my God, how cute. And this one is, I don't know the name for this one, so let's see if we can pull it out without damaging it. All right. I'll put the name of this up here, but look at that cute little teeny tiny sample size. Well, it's not a sample, it's a travel size. So very cute. Let's put her back because she's so adorable in there. And then let's try this one. And then this one is the Miss Dior. Oh my God. Look how gorgeous is that. I think my mom would love this just because of the packaging. Mom, if you're watching, look what I got. You gotta visit. So, oh my God, can I stick it back in there? All right. And then this one is down here, and this one is called Diorissimo. I hope I said that right. It's also gorgeous. And I'm gonna see how many mls these are, guys, and I'm gonna put them up there for you to see. Look at that. I'm gonna smell all of them when I'm done here. I just wanna see. And this is the Hypnotiq poison, and it literally looks like poison in there. I don't know if I'm a fan of that. Yeah, this is giving me like old lady vibes smell. Very musky. Oh, very old lady vibes. So not a fan of this one. If you do like this perfume, I'm sorry. It's just, you know, we all have our preferences, and that's not giving me my normal, I love that smell preference. So let's try Joy again. So Joy is a totally different scent than Poison. Ugh, still old lady vibes. Joy is giving me a very happy and clean scent. So I think I would enjoy this one, or my daughter will actually like this one. So I'm thinking this will be for my daughter. Oh, okay. This one is more my vibe. Sorry, Mom, staying with me. Kind of clean, a little bit of floral, slightly citrusy, but very light. So Miss Dior is gonna stay with me too. Ooh, so this is super floral. It reminds me of a flower. And I'll put it up here if I think of the name. Is it Ilang Ilang? Oh, all right. I love this one. So Diorissimo and Miss Dior are gonna stay with me. Joy, I'm thinking it's a little bit more youthful and clean. So I think I will give this to my daughter. Oh, like that. Okay, well, I'm running out of arms here. Let's do over there. So this one smells gorgeous too, but I think this is giving me, my mom will love this one. So this one's gonna go to my mom. It has a little bit more floral scent that I would like, but it has a floral musky scent to it. Yeah, this is definitely her. So I think this one is perfect for my mom. She loves perfumes. These two, the Diorissimo and the Miss Dior, are staying with me. And Little Joy is gonna go to my daughter. So this, guys, like I said, was $100, I think. Like I said, I'll put it up there. But it's so flippin' cute. I would just keep the box in oh man, I scratched it already. I would just keep the box in my closet, like open like this. And how adorable is this? So it's not the full advent calendar where I think it's a couple $100 more, but you do get a lot more items. But this is just for me to try their perfumes so that, you know, I can kind of invest a little bit more in luxury perfumes. But not only that, try them first before I buy. Like I said, not a fan of Miss Poison. I don't even know if my mom's gonna like that one. Literally looks like a poison in a bottle. Where is it? Oh, it's on this one right there. Yeah, it's no good. So at least not for me. So that's out of the 5 in this little set, I loved 4, and I'm keeping 2, maybe 3, and giving the Joy to my daughter, and this one possibly to my mom, or you know, if she doesn't come visit me, it'll stay with me too. So those are going to be my little stocking stuffers. So guys, if you liked today's video, please join my YouTube family, comment down below, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to get to know you a little bit more. So if you want to talk to me in a more non-public setting, join me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you, and have a blessed day.